Alright, 0809 Upper Deck Ice Hockey as well. Going to give this a bash. Just a few packs again, trying to ration them out so I don't go through too many. 4 rookie cards in every box. Whoopee. Same spec as the year before that we just busted, 5 cards a pack. 20 packs a box, we're going to bust 5 packs. Let's see how we go.
To hurry a bit more than
I'll
last
hurry,
time.
yeah. So we got Ryan Getzlaff, Shane Doan, Brendan Morrow. Same kind of format as the previous one. A bit classier looking. The players are actually considerably raised. You can feel it with your thumb. Jason Pominville and Chris Osgood. Pack 2 of 5. Decoy card, Saku Koivu, John Sebastian Guerrieri again, Nikolai Zerdev, Joe Sakic, Tobias Enstrom. Sometimes it's hard to read these because the cards break up the metallic.
We've got about 2 minutes.
That's alright, pack 3 of 5, we'll make it. Another decoy card. Brad Richards, Martin Brodeur, Daniel Carillo, Patrick Sharp, Mike Green. Pack 4. Another decoy card. Christophe Huet, Ollie Jokinen, Tim Thomas from the Bruins. Nice card. Cam Ward, Manny Lagaci. Alright, last pack I'm going to bust. No hits, you know, the next series is going to be pretty rich. It's a decoy. Peter Mueller, Brad Boyes, Nicholas Lidstrom. Oh, wow, that's nice and thick. Kari Latonen and Danny Heatley. 0809 Ice Hockey.